Alright fellas, so it is very well known that proteins are essential macronutrients that play a crucial role in the body. They are made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are often referred to as the building blocks of proteins. There are 20 different amino acids that can combine in various ways to form different proteins. Among these amino acids, 9 are classified as essential amino acids because the body cannot synthesize them on its own and must be obtained from the diet through various protein-rich foods. Now, let's discuss creatine. Creatine is not a protein, but rather a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods and produced by the body, mainly in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas. It is stored in the muscles and used as a quick source of energy during short bursts of high-intensity activities, such as weightlifting, sprinting, and jumping. When creatine is supplemented, it increases the body's creatine phosphate stores, which helps regenerate adenosine triphosphate, a primary energy currency of the cells. This allows for enhanced performance during high-intensity activities, allowing you to lift more weight, perform more reps, and recover faster between sets. There is substantial scientific evidence supporting the benefits of both protein and creatine supplementation for enhancing muscle growth, strength, and overall athletic performance, especially when combined with regular resistance training and exercise. However, it's essential to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional or nutrition expert before starting any supplementation regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. It's essential to understand how these supplements work and use them responsibly for optimal results. Let us briefly explain the process of protein digestion in the body. When you consume protein from either plant or animal sources, it undergoes a series of transformations in the body to be broken down into its constituent amino acids. From being chewed and broken down in the mouth, proteins will then move into stomach digestion, where the gastric juices will assist in breaking down proteins further into smaller polypeptides. Then, in the small intestine digestion, the partially digested protein moves into the small intestine, where specialized enzymes and acids from the pancreas aid in the further breakdown into individual amino acids. These broken blocks of protein will be absorbed through the intestinal walls and transported via the bloodstream. The liver acts as a control center for amino acids, where it rearranges and combines them to synthesize specific proteins needed by the body. The excess protein that is not used for bodily functions does not have any storage system like carbohydrates or fats. The body will then break down excess amino acids, remove the nitrogen through urine, and convert the remaining components, which are the alpha-keto acids, into triglycerides, which are then stored as fat. Moving on to creatine. It is a naturally occurring compound that is primarily synthesized in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas from 3 specific amino acids, which are arginine, glycine, and methionine. You can also acquire creatine from certain dietary sources, particularly meat and fish. The significance of creatine lies in energy metabolism, as it plays a crucial role in providing energy for various cellular processes, including muscle contractions during physical activities like weightlifting, sprinting, and other high-intensity exercises. Now, it is vital to understand that the effects of taking creatine and protein for 1 month will largely depend on your existing consumption of protein and creatine intake. Let's break down some key points related to creatine supplementation and protein consumption. 1. Creatine dosage. For those seeking faster results, the best approach is to start with the loading phase, taking 20 to 25 grams of creatine monohydrate daily for the first 5 to 7 days to saturate the muscles with creatine quickly. Then, a maintenance dose of 5 grams of creatine monohydrate per day is typically sufficient to maintain the elevated creatine levels in the muscles. 2. If you are planning to obtain some creatine from food sources, note that the dietary consumption of 5 grams of creatine can be challenging for most people, making supplementation a practical option. 3. Similar to creatine, meeting daily protein needs through diet alone can be difficult for many individuals, especially those with high protein requirements due to physical activity or muscle-building goals. 4. It's worth noting that excessive intake of creatine and protein beyond the body's needs won't necessarily provide additional benefits, as once the body's creatine and protein stores are sufficiently replenished, further supplementation may not lead to noticeable improvements. Having explained the above, let us explain how your body will respond to a 1 month of creatine and protein supplementation. 1. muscle creatine stores, and creatine loading phase. Creatine intake will help fill your muscle, and on average, each kilogram of muscle can hold about 2 to 3 grams of creatine. When you take around 20 to 25 grams of creatine per day for the first 5 to 7 days, your muscles will become quickly saturated with creatine. 2. Cell volumization. Creatine pulls water into muscle cells, a process known as cellular hydration. This water retention can lead to a visible increase in muscle size, making your muscles appear fuller and larger. Additionally, the increase in intracellular water can potentially contribute to muscle growth by stimulating protein synthesis and reducing muscle protein breakdown. 3. Appearance and strength. You will look more muscular and stronger without appearing bloated. 4. Increased body weight. It's important to note that the water retention associated with creatine supplementation can lead to an increase in body weight, and this might be desirable for those aiming to enhance muscle size and strength. 5. Feeling less hungry. When increasing your protein intake for 1 month, you will start consuming less calories. That is because protein nutrients have the most satiety and will reduce your cravings. As a result, you will start losing body fats. What will actually happen to your body when it's fueled with this supplementation is that not only you will be increasing muscle body mass, but you will also be able to do more repetitions with a specific weight load when you are at the gym. This is due to the fact that the creatine intake is increasing the main energy source used by the cells, which is the phosphocreatine responsible for increasing the adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP will normally decrease after 10 seconds of high-intensity workout and will hinder your ability to hit more repetitions or even more weight load. The creatine that is being stored in your body will help you achieve more muscular endurance and will also help you recover from heavy trainings, and that is essential in making you rest enough in order to hit your training sooner. This way, you will gain more muscles, which will lead to more power and endurance in your future workouts. Most individuals will take protein and creatine supplements and will not face any side effects. However, others might experience some side effects that might occur mostly during the loading phase. The discomfort might include muscle cramps, stomach upset, diarrhea, or even dizziness. It is fine you decrease your creatine intake to 5 grams a day instead of taking 20 grams. This way, the process might take a bit longer for your muscles to become fully saturated. Some studies have also reported that some people might experience dehydration due to the fact that creatine is pulling water inside your muscles. That is why you need to make sure you are drinking enough water along with this supplementation. It is well known that proteins are essential to your body. They produce serotonin and dopamine, which regulate our mood, and also increase the antibodies responsible to fight infections and inflammations. I need you all to understand that the effects of creatine and protein supplementation may vary among individuals. While many people experience positive benefits in terms of increased exercise performance and muscle appearance, not everyone may respond to creatine in the same way. Additionally, as with any supplementation, it's important to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional or nutrition expert to ensure safe and effective use based on individual needs and objectives. I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for weekly additional informative videos. And don't forget to check our description for interesting health products. Stay healthy and see you soon.